Hello, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. I am here in front of our village, in front of our building, because today is my holiday. And while I'm waiting for my curfew, I stay here for a while. This is a twin tower besides our building. In that building, we celebrate 100 days of my alaga. This one, that one. And this is our tower, Kulinan Sky Tower. And we are here. We are in 16th floor. Oh, you can see our our house is there. The last tower. Yes. It is a Kulinan Sky Tower. So very beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. And that is airside. Airside tower. Mhm. Yan yung mga kasamahan kong mga Pilipina na nagdi off din. And I am here, lying on the floor, lay down on the floor, having a picnic. I have a chicharon. Chicharon. Then I have orange, dalanghita, and I have also bread and coffee. And there is a bird. Yeah. Very nice place. Easy. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.
mainit yan. Sige na, ano man ni Serena, hindi man ayusin. Paano ba kasi? Pag
So cute.
si Marjorie, doon, uy, tama na yun.
So cute. So cute. So cute ang aming tirahan.